Yes.
Okay, great. You want an apron?
Yes.
Okay. It's just to fold it down over your fingers. Use your fingers as a holder. And then you want terrible directions, I know. A heavy third.
Heavy third.
Not a half, not quite a quarter. A heavy third.
Of the bag or the spoon?
It's
In
one
the bag.
It's one spoon basically.
Details.
Oh, right. So one and a third. Okay.
A heavy third. Okay? And then you just set it down.
Ah, right.
And then there will be others, and I'll direct you to grab the food. The food will go from the little can. And all you do is take the bag and roll it like this. And then it goes next to the rice.
All right.
And then the box will get folded like this.
There's a technique.
Yeah, I missed that bit, yeah.
Well, it's not quite a quarter.
You could have done it in percentages.
Not quite a quarter.
That's nowhere near what that was meant to be.
35%. How's that?
That's a third, right?
We're gonna get faster, aren't we?
Thank you.
Amsterdam.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
It's not the same as Amsterdam,
Not the
eh?
same.
No.
Amsterdam and Netherlands not the same.
You're
Originally by the
They're not the
Philippines.
same.
Philippines.
Yeah. Not the same as
You are
Holland.
Hawaii.
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 We have another lady that comes in here from Hawaii. Her name's Joanne.
Oh yeah?
She's 81.
Oh,
Wow.
that's nice.
Joanne and Elaine, that's when they always ask. Alright, bye, Scott.
See you later. Have a good day.
Bye.
Take that from you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yep, go to town. You got a scooper? Yep.
Okay.
You want to do the rice too?
Sure.
All right. Okay. You take one scoop. You take one scoop, a healthy scoop, and then you use your finger.
Ah, okay.
Okay. There
Alrighty.
you go.
Get it back out again.
Can I have more rice?
Alright, we're straight down the barrel.
Yeah. Let the head cook no cheese on it.
Shots.
Sometimes if you just take and do it like this,
Okay.
move everything down the road.
Okay.
Try to use everything. Let's get it back in this corner. This is the bottom one. One down.
And then sometimes you have to like stop on the platform, like, okay, wait, I can't see.
Okay. Take a smoke break, whatever you want. Yeah, it's right now. It's still in.
Feel the current more.
Never been to Asia. Oh, you're lucky. And they started. See how quick it is. Everything's all sorted out now. Your mood, sorted out. Because I know if you go Friday, Saturday, that's what I always do.
Oh, I love it. It's so
When I get to Bangkok,
You know you lucky people.
Can you show her how to spoon? Oh yeah, you want me to show her? Remember, heavy third.
Getting there.
about to ask who is busy. Yeah. I'm City.
Your hand's gonna burn later. Cannot touch the eye.
Immediately.
first one I went.
Five out there, that's the last one. Critically important that we only put a third in. Because this would be the last time she cooks. So we want to be able to put food in every box.
Who pays for all the ingredients?
I think it's donations
Donations.
and fundraising.
Oh,
Can you open that door?
and you do this every day?
Every day except Monday.
Yeah, I see the schedule up there.
Monday is closed.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys. Thanks so much. Thank you. You did a great job today.
Are we gonna go help distribute, or you already have people already? How many people do we need? How many people do you need? Because I can, if not necessary.
No, today we will go to Klong Toei area. Yeah, start.
Same as last time.
Yeah, same as last time.
So also at Mercy Center operates.
Mercy Center, yeah.
Nana.
Yeah,
Huh?
I'm at the end of Nana.
Oh, by the park.
Yeah.
Oh. Big difference from the beginning, yeah?
Yeah. I mean, Nana is always been like, it's very famous, but people forget that a third of Nana is the scene, and the middle are the hotels, and the end are residential.
What's at the end?
The end are residentials.
Residential area.
So yeah, I mean, there's plenty of you know.
But when you speak Nana, they all think about,
Yeah.
Yeah.
They only think about
That's all they
like
think about
Nana
that.
Plaza.
yeah.
So say at the end of Nana and the park, I have the whole park to view.
Mm.
I'm trying mine.
Yeah.
I'm trying mine.
I help to. Okay.
Can someone lift from downstairs?
Whose bag is it? is this?
Aroma.
That's correct. That's and then
Can I help?
That's okay.
ฮัลโหลขออนุญาตประชาสัมพันธ์นะคะพี่น้องชาวชุมชนรถ456ค่ะ ตอนนี้ข้าวมาแล้ว
ครับผม
เอามาแล้วลงโขกแล้ว
เข้าอีกจ้า
ขอบคุณมาแล้วเอามา
โอเค
อันนี้เลยแล้วลงโขกลงโขกเอาให้เขาอ้วนนะเอาว่าไม่เอาอ่ะ มาแล้วลงโขกแล้วไม่จังหวะแล้วมีก่อนกล้วยอร่อยอร่อยมากกล้วยอร่อยใครไม่พอก็ขอพี่ก็ได้เนอะมาแล้วลงโขกแล้วลงโขกมาแล้วได้เลยมาเลยหาพี่ก็เลยน่ะเข้าได้สองทางขอบคุณค่ะเดินกันเลยไว้ไหนเร็วเดี๋ยวจะหมดเตี้ยเข้ามาได้ไม่ได้กินนะเตี้ยจบแกงหน่อไม้อ่ะแกงหน่อไม้เลือกไม่ได้ค่ะพอแล้วนะคะเดี๋ยวให้เราโขกมั่งมาให้เราโขกมั่งนะจ๊ะมาแล้วลงเราโขกอ่ะตอนเย็นจะไปขอนีด้วยนะมาแล้วมีเฟซใหม่ที่ปลาเลยให้แม่ด้วยเอา2 กล่อง1, 2, 3 เอาข้าวไหมมาพี่มาแล้วไปไหน
Why don't they make the announcement before we come?
Because they have no idea when the van will come.
But they know they're coming today.
Yes,
Oh.
yes. It's the
Every
same.
Saturday.
Yeah, so the community knows that the food is coming, but we can't guarantee when we'll get here because we also don't know if we have enough volunteers that show up to cook.
Yeah.
We don't know like if the van's gonna get stuck in traffic coming here, that kind of stuff. But they do know that the food will be here today. I don't know.
Maybe the car?
I'm gonna go back and walk in here.